not together.
Welcome back to Bangkok again. And that's the Rob Thai Italian San Marinese talent from North Vision who should qualify with that masterpiece so-called Wire.
Anyway, the result is already calculated by Lisa and we are ready to present it to you now. First, we will go to the previous host country Laos and she is our superstar Araya. Hi Araya.
Savitatonian ASI. Thailand. You delivered an amazing show, almost as perfect as we did it last year, when you won. Let's hope that this also works in reverse for us this time. All artists definitely gave their best, but the Lao Jury Awards are 12 points to North Korea. Congratulations and good luck to all participants tonight.
Next we will move to the best Korea and also the best country in the world. Hi North Korea.
And finally, the 12 points from the best country in the world goes to JEJUDO.
Apparently I will take over Angela and speak alone as she seems to get a sore throat. So now we will go to the Heaven Bhutan.
Hello and welcome from the floppy, poor, but most importantly happy, mountain nation of Bhutan. You should visit us. You know. Don't forget to pay $250 additionally every day of your stay, while you're enjoying a spiritually cleansing, airway cleansing, mountainous stay with breathtaking nature. Your money will go to a good cause, I promise. Bhutan isn't the happiest country in the world for no reason. Just check out our gross national happiness. Anyway, thank you Thailand for such an incredible show. I've never seen anything of the like. The colors, the aesthetics and most importantly the much needed message of Buddhas are so stunning. Thank you, Thailand. Totally never seen nor done before, unlike where our 12 is going? To the magical deja vu of South Korea.
My voice crack is finally over. Next waiting country is the debutante Galapagos Islands. Hola.
Hola Thailandia, this is the call from South America. And our 12 point goes to the icon of Sound of Asia. Japan's Dean Fujioka.
Next up is Fiji and last edition representative Wafia. Hi Fiji.
Hello, good evening everybody. Thailand, you did an excellent job tonight, lovely show, thoroughly enjoyed it. Well done. Anyway, as you can see, our first sets of points are on screen to your left. But now, for our top points. Our 12 go to Hong Kong.
Riding on the rays of the sun. Some days I wake up looking at the mirror, trying to see someone else. 'Cause I ain't the brave.
Now we are going back to mainland Asia and its last edition runner-up Jackson Wang from Macau. Annyeong Jackson Nim.
안녕 니 자식, this is 마타니즈 콜, and this is our first top score. And finally our big 12 points is going to talent from Japan.
Makani's vote is done, but we will keep loving the M letter cause we will now go to another M country, Malaysia, and she is Queen Yuna. Selamat datang.
Hey hi ho hus, it's me, the CEO of Malaysian Music Yuna. First of all, we are so glad to be part of this fantastic contest, oh my god. Second of all, wow Giro Tatrecha, USHNAPPEDT heart my dear. Anyways, enough of the fangirling. Here are the result of the Malaysian jury voting. And our 12 go to this cute book from Hong Kong. Congrats and see you next time.
On the rays of the sun. Some days I wake up looking at the mirror, trying to see someone else. 'Cause I ain't the brave.
The sound of Southern Asia is calling me, and it turns out that it's from Indian Taj Mahal. Hi India.
Hi Lisa and Angel, India is calling you. Thank you for the amazing show and way better than most of the series overviewed videos. Oops. Anyway, 12 points from Indian juries is for amazing Spanish song from Galapagos.
Next stop of the journey is Australia, and with amazing talent Kate Miller-Heidke. Hello Kate.
This is a calling and a signal from Australia. As an human, we call out for helping the other species who suffered from the wildfire. Thank you for allowing us to make a statement, and the Australian juries decided to give 12 points to Galapagos Islands. Congratulations girl, and hope to see you go zero gravity with me.
We now finish the first part of jury voting, and here is the top 6 right now. They are Macau, Fiji, South Korea, Bangladesh, Japan, and the current leader Galapagos Islands. Here is the short recap of them. That's it. Forget when I call those ladies as queens, as the real queen is here. Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II will present the Hongkongian vote. Hello British China calling. We have enjoyed the show very much and blah blah blah. So, for sure our 12 points will not go to Galapagos Islands, mainly because we are tasteless as heck. Like for real, we don't overrate noises. Without further ado, 12 points are flying to Laos. Stream Comeback by Ella Air. Oh, and Falling by Lai May.
Gonna be myself tonight. Yeah.
The next weighted country territory is Jeju-do and a talent Korean boy. Hi Jeju-do.
Hello Asia and Pacific, this is Jeju-do's calling. Our jury decided to give the 12 points to talent from South Korea.
We will move to Bangladesh now. Hi Dhaka.
Hi. 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 Hi, could you hear me?
Yes.
Our 12 points go to Guam. Bye.
Back to church, I'm gonna take you. Back to church, I'm gonna take you. You get high, I'll get low. I'm not trying to take you so.
The next one is Indonesia and one of the winner is Yana Sarasvati. Salamat Isyana.
Salamat Lisa, Salamat Thailand. I'm glad that I was able to be in Sound of Asia again. May the best song win. Anyway, the Indonesian 12 points will go to Fiji. See you.
No, you're not mine. You just pretend to be. Boy, are you getting me? Do not disturb. This time, I won't hold the line. Been giving you time to choose.
Okay, we will now go to meet the superstar Pia Mia in Guam. Hi Pia.
Hello everyone from Guam. We are happy that this edition were no semifinals for obvious reasons lol. It's me, the only Guamanian singer on this planet, Pia Mia, who was supposed to present the votes last edition. I don't want to irritate you, so I will just announce the 12 points. They will go to the amazing Mahalia from Fiji. Bye everyone and good luck to Allison.
No, you're not mine. You just pretend to be. Boy, are you getting me? Do not disturb. This time, I won't hold the line. Been giving you time to choose.
And the next destination is South Korea and Queen Park Bom from 2NE1 who once represented North Korea in the first edition. Annyeong Sunbaenam.
Hello everyone, I'm Park Bom and I'm here in the capital of Korea Republic, Seoul to announce our dear 12 points. But first of all, let me congratulate all of you for making this contest so fabulous. Okay, our 12 points go to a country that doesn't have such a good history with us, but their songs and artists are very nice, North Korea. Congrats and see you next time.
Take a look at you.
The next country are Wow. As a Buddhist, it's honor to have Dalai Lama to present the Tibetan vote.
Hi Bishop, I think while know who I am so I don't need to do any self-introduction. First of all, we are so glad to take part in such a big contest full of bops and flops, and I'm praying to God right now so that Tibet can win. If we flopped it means that the lack of taste here in this contest jumped out. Anyway, our jury has decided to give maximum 12 points to Dilbar Dilbar, Dilbar Dilbar, it's Bangladesh. Now I have to return to my temple, so that's all from me now, and oh, don't forget to stan Blackpink. Bye.
Apparently the council has found a massive error during the jury voting and we need some more seconds to fix that. To make you feel no bored, I will perform my bop, Kill This Love, until the error is fixed. Give an applause to me and my friends from Blackpink.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blackpink,
The head of producer Kinoshita Hisashi or Pume Azian or whatever his name is confirmed that the error is now fixed, so we will head to Japan by now. Konnichiwa Daroko-san. Hi from the land of the anime Japan, thanks to BB Thailand for the amazing show. And now the 12p from Flopana for Fiji. Congratulations and hope you win.
Just pretend to be. Boy, are you getting me? Do not disturb. This time I won't hold the line. Been giving you time to choose.
And it's time for the host country Thailand to vote as the final jury. Sawadee ka Fichito-kun.
Sawadee Krub Tuk Koan. This is Thailand's calling. As a spokesperson for the Thai delegations, we have to apologize for the massive error that was committed during the jury voting. We hope to run this night without more problems too. Anyway, Thai juries agreed to give their 12 points to our neighbor Laos. Congratulations and have a great night from Bangkok.
I'm alive. I'm gonna be myself tonight. Yeah, you make me feel alive. The kind of magic in your eyes. It's alright.
And that's how our professional juries have voted. The top 6 by now are conquered by Bangladesh, Laos, Japan, South Korea, Galapagos Islands. And currently lead the result, Mahalia from Fiji. Let's take a look for a short recap of them and welcome the girl group with Thai Town G Idol who will promote their new bop, Lion, here.
Mash them.
난 나의 눈을 가리고 음악에 몸을 맡기고 뻗는 리듬을 망치고 사자의 춤을 바치고 You look like a lion, I'm a queen like a lion. Ayo.
And the spectacular performance from GIDIE has just finished. You can go stream the song for Stan Thai talents in every applications. By the way, time and tide wait for no man, so let's start with the televoting aka the viewers result. We will start with the jury's last place Thailand and then so until we get to the jury winner Fiji. Okay, let's do it. The current and also host country Thailand. You get 50 points, hashtag burn the jury. Bhutan you receive from the public vote. 23 points. India, you got 51 points.
Indonesia, the public gave you 38 points. Next is Tibet, you got 31 points. Malaysia, you received 72 points from the public. Congratulations, you are now in the lead. Jeju-do, the public gave you 45 points. The next one is Hong Kong, and you also get 45 points. Now we are in the jury top 10. Guam, you got 54 points. Australia get 5 less than Guam, 49 points. North Korea, the public gave you 56 points. Previous runner-up Macau got from a public vote. Previous runner-up Macau got from a public vote 57 points. And now only 6 most voted countries from the jury voting are left. They are Bangladesh, Laos, Japan, South Korea, Galapagos Islands and Fiji. Everything can be possible after the televoting points are revealed. Okay, enough. Let's go to the 6th place, Bangladesh. You receive 77 points. So you are the leader now. Next, the 5th place Laos got from the public. 2 more points, 79 points. So they take the lead by now.
Yeah, you make me feel alive. A kind of magic in your eyes. It's so right.
4th place Japan with Sound of Asia icon History Maker got 73 points. Now, South Korea, the viewers from home gave you 96 points. And the tension is rising. South Korea, Galapagos Islands and Fiji. One of these 3 will be crowned tonight as the 8th winner of Sound of Asia. Let's go to Galapagos Islands. The public gave Galapagos also 96 points, while the tension level is rising. Who will be the winner? Will Rubio and Jacob break the only top 6 curse and win? Or will Jack and his favorite singer Mahalia will do a favor and win? We will know it by now. The jury winner Fiji get the amount of televoting points of They get. I know you are excited, me too. They get only 52 points. Which means we have the next winner, and it's Rubio and Carlos Cabezas from Galapagos Islands. With 194 points. Rubio and Carlos, please come to the stage.
Wow, oh my holy god. I'm crying. Thank you so much to every supporter from every part of Asia and Pacific, every hemisphere. Thank you for appreciating the diversity of culture, language and of course music. Me and Carlos, who currently called with their family proudly at the backstage, are impressed by this powerful victory. I can't say anything else more than muchas gracias. And especially to my #1 fan in the Discord, Jacob, I snatched this win for you finally. See you in South America.
And that's the winner speech. Finally the contest in wonderful Bangkok is finished. We gonna miss you, the fabulous people, for sure. Anyway, we hope that we will come together again here in Thailand, but it's all about the future. Now, it's victorious time of the victorious winner. Rubio and Carlos Cabezas with the song, Nurse from Galapagos Islands. Give it up for them.